Hey everyone! Today we're talking about patterns in Gutenberg. So, what are they? Well, you're going to love this. Patterns are pre-designed blocks that you can save and reuse in your WordPress website. It's like having your own personal library of blocks that you can use whenever you want. So why would you want to use patterns? Well, for starters, it saves you a lot of time and effort. Instead of creating the same block over and over again, you could just save it as a pattern and use it whenever you need to. Plus, it ensures consistency across your website, which is really important for branding and user experience. There are a lot of patterns already baked into WordPress. I'll show you where those are, but you can also create your own custom blocks, save those as patterns, and reuse them as well. Let me show you how. Here I am in the back end of WordPress. I'm in the Gutenberg or Blocks editor. Now, your fonts may look a little different based on what theme you're using, but this is generally what you're going to see. So let me show you where these patterns are. Okay, so you know when you want to add something on your page, you can come over here, toggle the block inserter, and you'll see all of the different blocks that you can use. Paragraphs, headings, lists, images, all of this stuff. Well, if you click Patterns and then All, you will see all of the pre-built sections that your theme includes. So let's say that we wanted to have a section with an offset layout that looks like this. All we'd have to do is just drag that pattern over, drop it right into your page. From here, you can make stylistic changes to these. You can change your padding. You can change your border radius. All of these styles are available to you here. What we're going to do, though, is create a custom block that we can save as a pattern and reuse throughout our site. So the first thing I'm going to do is just delete this pattern that I included here in the page. And now I'm going to create a new block under the About Us button. So I'm just going to put my cursor here where I want to add the banner. I'm going to paste in some text. Let's center that up. Maybe increase the font size a bit to, let's make it 24 pixels. I'm going to put a background on it. Maybe this orange with white text. Now it's telling me that this color combination may be hard for people to read. This is a built-in accessibility feature in WordPress that's pretty cool. So what I want to do is I actually want to create something that's a little darker. So I'll just open up my picker here and go to something that's maybe a nice warm brown like that. All right. Good, my little message went away. So now what I want to do is I want to be able to reuse this on other pages easily. So I'm going to click these three dots. I'm going to say create pattern and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it training banner. I can add a category here. Let's put it in banners, and this will affect where it shows in the pattern section on the left-hand side. And I'm going to keep this toggle to synced. That way, if I make a change to it in one place, it will change across the entire site, everywhere that that pattern is used. So I'm just going to say create. There it is. And now you see it's called training banner. I'm going to update this page. Let's go take a look at it. Scroll down a bit, and there's my banner. Excellent. Okay, so now let's say I want to use the same exact banner on another page, but I don't want to have to recreate it. Just go back to my pages here and let's put it on the Contact Us page. I'm going to put my cursor right where I want to insert that pattern. Go up here to my patterns library. I can go to banners where I know that I put it. It'll also show up under my patterns, anything custom that you make yourself, but let's go down to banners because that's where we knew we put it. Drag in the training banner and there it is. Click update, check my page. And sure enough, there it is. Okay, so let's say that I wanted to make a change to that banner, but I wanted that change to automatically apply everywhere that the banner appears. Well, I'm going to go back to editing the page, click into it, and now I can click Edit Original. So let's say that I just want to say video series and get rid of the word training. I'll make the change right there, click Update. The pattern is now updated. So now, if I go to my pages and I look at both the pages that it's been used on. The word training is gone. Excellent. Check it out on Contact Us, and it's also gone. It's now changed up here in the patterns library as well. So anytime you add it to any new pages, you'll get the updated version. And that is patterns. There you have it. Overall, patterns are a great tool to have in your Gutenberg library. They're easy to use, they save time and effort, and they ensure consistency across your website. So if you haven't tried using patterns yet, I highly recommend giving them a go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more super fast WordPress tips. Thanks.